Okay, good morning. Thank you all to be here in this presentation. My name is José Manuel Ruiz. I am working for Certification Laboratory AT4 Wireless. The name of this presentation is how to join the FIWARE IoT-Ready Programme. The principal objective is to explain what is the FIWARE IoT-Ready Programme and which are the steps to join at this program. In the third part of presentation, I will speak a little about the different initiatives to promote the FIWARE, and the second part I will focus in the FIWARE IoT-Ready Programme, where I will talk about the necessary steps to validate your FIWARE implementation and the test that you have to perform, and the benefit of certification, and finally, the work of AT4 Wireless in this project. The FIWARE community is an independent open community whose members have the mission to build an open ecosystem around the public standard and free software, facilitating the development of a new smart application in the field of Internet of Things. The FIWARE community is not only formed by contributors that work in the FIWARE platform, but also are included our group that work in promote the FIWARE technology in different initiatives. For example, the FIWARE Lab, FIWARE Accelerate, FIWARE Hub. And the last initiative is to get IoT-Ready certification thanks to the FIWARE IoT-Ready program. The FIWARE platform provides a collection of application programming, very easy but powerful in your functionality, that facilitate the development of smart applications, smart city, health, smart farming, for example. Any IoT standard or proprietary protocol can be connected to FIWARE via IoT agents component. In this slide, we can see the architecture of FIWARE, where the principal components are the FIWARE content broker and the FIWARE IoT backend device manager. Also, we can see the different device interface. The actual IoT agents for FIWARE are the ultralight, GSON, LWM2M over CoAP, and C4 Cloud. Also, any standard or proprietary protocol may be implemented using a Node GSON IoT agent library. Well, at the present, 89 cities from 19 countries in Europe, Latin America, and Asia belong to Open Agile Smart City. The members of this alliance have agreed they operate with FIWARE model. Thousands of companies, including startup, medium, and large companies, want to promote the Internet of Things solution to this city, basing their solution on FIWARE open source platform component. The FIWARE ecosystem means a clear business opportunity for IoT products. What is IoT-Ready Programme? FIWARE IoT-Ready Programme has the objective to extend the FIWARE ecosystem, connecting relevant to IoT sensor actuators between different companies. And the main goal of FIWARE IoT-Ready Programme is the certification of the IoT device, providing users a list of vendor distribution IoT device and system, which can be easily connected to FIWARE ecosystem. If your product is validated, you can publish the logo of your program in your website. This is the logo program. This program is designed to validate the following type of implementation: proprietary device with complete hardware and software solution, software implementation working on and general proposed hardware as Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and this kind of product may use a real or virtual sensor. Another is the final type are the libraries to be used by different types of device. This kind of products may use real virtual sensor. It's necessary to indicate that the validation process is auto-evaluation process. This is very important. But it is assisted by FIWARE IoT-Ready Programme reviewer, who will review your test log and evaluate if your device is connecting with the public stand correctly. We have available a public stand, but you may use your own stand for purpose of performing the planning test. In this slide, I indicate the steps you need to perform in order to validate your implementation. The steps apply for validation: step implementation, run test, filling template provide, saving information, reviewer perform evaluation, device is published in FIWARE catalog. Well, the first step is to send an email request to IoT service. After that, we send you a document with information about how to validate your implementation. If you decide to continue with the FIWARE IoT-Ready program, you will have to apply for validation you send an email to IoT service. After which, you will receive a template where you have to fill information about your implementation. The second stage, you have to set up your implementation to start to work with the FIWARE platform. And the third step, you need to develop the test according to the supply guide using available public stand. It's very important to record all log files generated during the test. Also, you may use your own stand for the purpose of performing the planned test. First step is to fill the template provide. The template request you describe your hardware, software, virtual device. Communicate with FIWARE. Well, send information. It's necessary to send to IoT-Ready Program reviewer the following information: the information about your company and hardware, software, virtual device. The template with information of your hardware, software, virtual device. The log or a screenshot of the response you have obtained during the test. Company logo, product name, and product web page. The IoT-Ready Program reviewer will evaluate the documentation provided. If necessary, we will contact with you in case that any clarification was required. Once the evaluation is finished and all is correct, your device will be published on the list of IoT-Ready commercial device, and we send you an email with the result of evaluation. That concludes the step to validate your FIWARE implementation. Well, in this slide, we can see the list of tests that you need to be executed to validate your implementation. There are tests that are mandatory and another optional. We have the create a verified that the device implementation is able to send a measurement. Read measurement is mandatory. OJT is verified that the device implementation is able to read measurement from the context broken. In this case, it's necessary to indicate that if your device don't have the option to read measurement, you can use another method, for example, using the Postman software. The last step test is send command. The OJT is verified the device implementation is able to receive command sent from the context broken. In this case, the sending of command is mandatory only in case that your device implementation has the option of to receive command. Well, benefit of FIWARE certification. FIWARE certification is expected to be a requirement by operator and with your chosen product for IoT environment such as smart city, health, smart farming, etc. The certification demonstrates compliance with the technical requirement established by FIWARE.
Sí. Sí. Sí.
Benefits of for the consumer. The FIWARE certification offers confidence to consumers who get products certified and evaluated by an impartial and recognized certification body. Add value for the customer in the evaluation and selection of products from different product providers. Protect the quality of consumption. Benefit for the supplier. It facilitates the commercialization of products since they use a known identification. It allows the competitiveness through the quality of the product firewall. The certification stresses the credibility of products, facilitate and also facilitate entry into the new market. The work developed by AT4 Wireless in the project FIWARE is the following. Consulting help to guide vendors through the certification process, testing, support vendor on testing execution, certification body, AT4 Wireless, acting as IoT-Ready Reviewer, evaluate the documentation provided by vendor, log, template, manual, administrative, update firewall catalog of a commercially available product, technical support, creation and maintenance of the product documentation, including the creation, how to validate your implementation and firewall guide. This guide identifies the process and requirements need to obtain the evaluation, including the test case definition, technical support, maintenance of the available public standard required to perform the certification testing. Well, to finish this presentation, well, in the slide, we can see if you want to join a FIWARE IoT-Ready program, you need to send email at iotservice at at4wireless.com. After that, I send you the before document. I send you this documentation, how to validate your implementation guide, where there is explained all steps necessary you need to follow the program and for certificate your product. To finish the presentation, I will speak a little about AT4 Wireless. AT4 Wireless, the mission is provide advanced technology service worldwide to ensure the safety and compliance of product and service. In this slide, we have a global vision of the different areas of action of AT4 Wireless. We have the laboratory certification, test engineer. We work in different projects of smart city, end-to-end, medical and health, for example. Also, we have a laboratory of different parts of the world. That here, in this map, we can see where are placed the different office laboratory of AT4 Wireless and partners. The principal laboratory is in Malaga, but also we have laboratory in the United States, Chile, China. And for conclude, in this slide is indicate the activity of AT4 Wireless in the industry consortium. Well, there are any questions? Sí. Yeah. The three types. Yeah. In case you go to here, go to this website, you see all devices are certification. Also, they are library. For example, we have a product that is a gateway. It's software in cloud. But in the firewall, you can input in the website in firewall, or you can in the menu develop FIWARE IoT-Ready Programme. And also in the menu of develop catalog IoT-Ready a device commercial. But well, you go to direct with this And you see all devices that in this moment are 12 devices are certificated. I think that in this week will be possible to more that to add at this list. Other question? Excuse me? No. Yeah. Really, it's auto-evaluate. I send after you send me or we send this email. I want to join to IoT-Ready Programme. Okay, I send a manual how to evaluate your implementation. In this manual, I indicate all steps that I intend to explain today. In case that your device are implemented the fireware, it's possible that in 1 hour you make all tests, in order to fill the template you send to us and also the log and template and several information. The information that you need to send is this is company and hardware virtual device information about your company, about information referent to your device. The template where you fill several things. The file with the log, I'm pretty sure that it will be necessary. Your company log, because a product name, a product website. In case you another here, you input there, you can see all products. In case you push some device, you open your website. For there is necessary, you need all information. Another question? Well, the time is, 1 hour for test, I review, another hour for fill the template. After we send an email with the result of validation. In case that there are any problem, I send information. You send me something, or you repeat some with this test. Because all tests are reviewed for the different person. It's necessary that all tests are very clear in your executive. Another question? It's possible that there are something that business that we send the log or the information about a product that is efficient. It's not rare. But okay. In our case, we can see that the test more or less is executed. That there are physical devices. If I need, for example, I send a command. I need, there are a LED, for example, in the device. is the only way to see that this device is working is to capture it, pane referring to the light. You take this pane, you send me this.
Yeah, send me one sample, I will test it. Pass this IoT program in my house. For me, it's a little strange that you are not charged. The only way that you can certify that this
Yeah.
hardware part. You are faking. You can fake the load. I think you can fake. You can take actual communication. Loads that to actually hardware parts.
The work of AT4 Wireless in this project is that is a laboratory of certification. FIWARE tell to contract AT4 Wireless to certificate. FIWARE tell you have to certificate this type, this type, this type. Why? In the test, all information that you see that is necessary, that the laboratory, we need to see that the product is working, the product is saying a measurement to content broken, to read, all information that you see how the business. Well, this laboratory, the tests are but
A person that is saying, okay, I have a software part that is working.
for example, you have a sensor installed in something place, no? Where in case that, for example, read measurement, I see that the sensor have to change the value, for example, measurement. With this log, I can see, understand that the sensor is working. It's possible that the value are.
Running a virtualization experimental or a simulator. Yes, hardware part. And if I am going to buy a lot of, I don't know if I have to check beforehand.
Yeah.
They are working, or I can trust the IoT or.
Yeah.
This is my main concern. I mean, because you have to test the hardware part. You have to for me, it's taking a little bit. I mean,
Yeah, but
But I don't know. I mean, I'm a little bit confused.
yeah, but in the future, for example, it's possible that the way that you make this test is you send the hardware of our laboratory. It's another way to certificate.
Yeah, and I will pass the test.
Yeah. Then it's more. A normal is the auto-evaluation. There are big company, that auto-evaluation. What meaning? In our company, AT4 Wireless, normal, are business, well, there are all types of company. But the big company, the normal is to send an engineer of our installation to be there 1 week, for example, and the people of certification to make different tests. In case there are any problem, the other person to change. This is not normal, but in this way, FIWARE tell, well, how we want to create a list with different hardware, different type of device certification. How to measurement or how to filter this in this type? Well, create a certification. It's auto-evaluate. Well, in our case, for example, I sent several calls this morning, excuse me, the last week. One company was 2 devices. Send me the template and log for one device. And the second, to repeat the same, but only change the name. I tell, I need to make this test for another device. It's not only, well, it's possible that this company create a virtual device that really don't exist and give me, well, I have another device I want to create to put in this list and really don't exist. Okay. But it's possible in the future we have another filter and, well, it's possible that the software it could be that it would a possibility to make the test how auto-evaluation, but the physical to send our laboratory. It's correct, it's possible, but in our case, in our project, in this moment, FIWARE tell, well, the type of the evaluation is of this way. Well, it's possible. Yeah. Yeah. I understand. Another question? Okay, let's finish this presentation. Thank you all to be here.